Hello, in front of me I have the AirPods Pro and the Android device, and I'm gonna show you how to hard reset your AirPods Pro when you are connected to the Android device. And just open the settings on your device. In our case, this is how I prefer to ID. Then move to the device connectivity, move to the Bluetooth, and right now we have to pair our AirPods with the Android device. As you can see, here it is. So click on it to pair. Confirm it. There's a little bit problem, but we can try again. Okay, as you can see, there's the error. So right now we have to flip the case and click and hold this button on the back of the case. So just click right now. Okay, now it's blinking on the light on the white color, so try to pair again. Okay, and now we can just do this. So click to pair, and they are connected. And right now, if you want to hard reset, you have to do the same. So click and hold this button, but this little dot have to blinking on the red color. So click, hold, and just wait. Okay, right now click on the AirPods Pro, and as you can see, they just disconnected and hard reset. And right now we can just connect them again to our Android device. So if you have any problem, this should help you. And as you can see, now we are connected again to our smartphone. So thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.